It represents the number of frequencies you're able to capture. So the higher the number, the more headroom, we call it headroom. That headroom is, am I able to hear the most tiniest, softest sound in the music or in my voice? Because also as I'm singing or as I'm talking, voice yangu iko na so many nuances. There's the what you hear, but when I go into details, there's the breath in the voice.
It's true.
There's the how I'm cracking my vocal cords. There's the way the emotion is, everything that is capturing. So is my microphone able to capture all those?
This is interesting. Okay, I don't even remember where we digressed from.
We are doing whatever is happening here, connection. We went into the DAW. So I was saying, we also learn about how to set the correct numbers for you to capture the best audio. But it all depends with the type of the computer and your storage. So the more quality, the bigger your file will be. The lesser, the smaller.
So what numbers are we talking about? You said the
So we use 48. It's recommended 48K.
Okay. No.
We got 24 bits depth. That is more sound engineering, but it's part of the introductory part on the unit for sound engineering. That's why in music production, it's like you get this knowledge from here, this one, combine all of them, then do a product. Yes.
I understand. So you've said we are learning how to set the correct numbers so that we can get the best sound. So I'm not curious about the numbers as in the digits themselves, but what are you talking by setting the correct numbers? Do you mean like the hertz?
Yes.
The dB? Okay. Is there anything else apart from
the dB, the gain staging? Do you need it loud? Do you need it soft? Depending on is the singer loud? So you need to capture it softly, or is the singer soft? You need to capture it loudly. Then all that into the DAW. Then you have what we call a healthy signal that you can now use to manipulate and do things and combine them until the final stage where it's sent to the radio, YouTube and all that. Then now the listener will listen to the music comfortably without feeling hurt and any maskio, wimbo iko noisy, I don't know what. Then a good song, if you're having your radio, you can boost other things and become your own engineer. Then a good song will give you the ability to boost and feel better. A song that is not well engineered or produced, you will have to struggle a bit.
It's true. Yeah, Josie made a joke about how some songs nika zimemixiwa kwa sufuria. Because karibu iwe speaker.
Yeah, that's it's always the problem. Yeah, so if you understand what is happening, yeah, the good thing that happens when you go to school, you get to understand what is behind the scenes, not what you see.
Yes.
So what you see is just marketed to you now, but the technical bits, the scientific, then that enables you become more freer to express yourself. Yeah.
Okay, now thank you for answering that. So now I'm going to take you back to the way you answered it at the beginning, the correct numbers so that you can get the best sound. You mentioned something about 44K.
Yeah.
And
so if your computer is not well, but nowadays most computers are good. So recommended is 48K you set and 24 bit depth.
What is bit depth?
Bits is now it's more complex into computer language. Yeah, it's where you store the data inside the computer. Bit depth. I don't know if you've ever heard mtu akisema my computer is 32 bit, 64 bit.
Kitu complex nasikia mtu akisema ninajua logic.
It's not even related to music. Yeah, and sound. It's a language of computer and storage, computer language and all. Even me, I would do the wrong thing if I go into details of those.
So I've actually even gotten another question. So from my understanding, the K in 48 is kilohertz,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So my question is, why do we need to set the computer that way? Yet it's the vocalists/instruments that are going to determine their frequency we are working with. So why do our settings matter?
It represents the number of frequencies you're able to capture. So the higher the number, the more headroom, we call it headroom. That headroom is, am I able to hear the most tiniest, softest sound in the music or in my voice? Because also as I'm singing or as I'm talking, voice yangu iko na so many nuisances. There's the what you hear, but when I go into details, there's the breath in the voice.
It's true.
There's the how I'm cracking my vocal cords. There's the way the emotion is, everything that is capturing. So is my microphone able to capture all those? Ama inachukua tu just the tone and that's it.
So,
and how is it able to recapture as close as the way human can perceive the voice in real time? Because you know there's distortion in mics, cable, word, and so we are trying to see that. The same way you can shoot a video. I like using the video thing because you can literally see. So if I'm converting you into digital, I'll take your picture. So you become, I have a digital version of you. The same thing with the singer. I'll capture the voice, now I have a digital version of the singer. So now, depending on the camera, what have you, pixels, megapixels, sijui nini hizo vitu zote, you're able to see, this is this person. I can see the eyebrows, nini, details. The same thing happens to voice.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So basically, if I don't set my, if I set my DAW into let's say 20K instead of 48, then it means any frequency above 20K, I will not be able to capture it.
No, your dynamic range is limited. Do you remember we are doing 20K to 20 kilohertz? I mean 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So every, what do you call this? Every frequency has all the other hertz, if I can use that.
Yes.
So now, my voice, iko na what we call the highs, the mids, and the lows of the voice. But there's where we have what we call fundamental frequency. My frequency is occurring at. This is where it is louder than all the other frequencies. Mtu ako na bass, you find bass is the lowest, the 20 hertz, 100 hertz, 200, all the way to 20K is the tiniest. Okay? Now, every tone has what we call harmonics. So that is into engineering. Now, in production, we use that in keyboard now. So there's only 12 keys on the keyboard. But unaona hii ni dogo, na kuna ingine pale kubwa sana. It's the same, it's just repeated.
Mbona?
Because of the frequency occurrence, where they are occurring. It's the same note occurring at a different frequency.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't let my ums and ahs fool you. This last part, I think we need a break. I just get a sip of water and then we come back with more of my questions. I apologize if my interruptions are annoying you guys. I'm a very active listener. But yeah, so far I'm loving the class. Thank you so much, Mr. Wathome. This is where your passion becomes a profession, where your creativity finds direction. This is ADMI.